Assalamualaikum. I will introduce myself and my name is Maizatun Nadia binti Jami'ah. Kita ikut.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Akila Rashida. You may call me Shida.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Umar Amsyar bin Abdul Samad. You can call me Umar. My metric number is 2024277026.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Sarudin bin Saifullah Hazman. You can call me Din.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Mai. Today I will be explaining about glass, but specifically I will share about the definition of the glass, the raw materials that they use, manufacturing process of glass, and the last one for my part is the advantages and disadvantages of using glass in construction. In this slide, we also include the type of glass and the application of glass in building. Now, let's begin with the definition first. What is glass? Glass is an amorphous, solid, non-crystalline, transparent material that is made by cooling molten substances without allowing them to form a regular structure. In construction, it is widely used for windows, facades, doors, and decorative elements due to its ability to let in natural light and provide a modern appearance. Next, I will move on to the raw materials slide that are used to make glass. Now, we will move on to the next slide, which is raw materials. The raw material have three main ingredients, which include silica sand, soda ash, and limestone. The silica sand, which forms the main structure of the glass. It is also known as quartz sand or industrial sand. It is a type of sand composed primarily of silicon dioxide. It's widely used in various applications due to its high purity, hardness, and heat resistance. Next is soda ash. Soda ash, also known as sodium carbonate, it is a crucial raw material in glass manufacturing. It acts as a flux, lowering the melting point of silica, which is the main component of glass, which makes the production process more efficient. The last one is limestone. Limestone is a sedimentary rock primarily composed of calcium carbonate, often found in the form of the minerals calcite and aragonite. It is used to increase the durability and chemical resistance. Additionally, materials like bromide, alumina, and cullite or recycled glass may also be included to improve the strength and reduce production costs. Now, we're going to take a look about the manufacturing process. How those glass were made, which is the most common method in industry use, are called the float glass process. In this process, they have main 4 stages, which is melting, forming, cooling, and finishing. In stage 1, the raw materials will be mixed and melted in a furnace at very high temperature until it will be molten glass. The second stage, the molten glass is floated on a pool of molten tin, which will be separated into a flat and even shape. After that, for the third stage, the glass is slowly cooled down in a process called annealing to relieve internal stress. Once it cools, the glass will be cut and processed for different uses, which is the last stage. It is called finish. I will introduce about the advantages and disadvantages of the glass. For the advantages of glass allows natural daylight to enter the buildings, which can reduce the need for artificial lighting. It has a clean and modern appearance, which can be easily to do the clean works. Next, we can see it is also resistant to moisture and most chemical, where it is also easier to recyclable and making it environmentally friendly. However, there are also disadvantages, which is cons glass can be fragile and may break easily unless it is specially treated. It is also can raise security concerns, especially in high-rise buildings. In addition, glass can be heavy, expensive, and requires a regular cleaning to maintain the clear appearance. And that concludes my part. Thank you for listening. Now I will pass to my other friends to explain the next part.
Thanks, Majatul. I will continue to explain about the type of glass. The first one is tempered glass. Tempered glass is stronger and safer. Break into the small piece if the glass crack. Usually, the application used for tempered glass is car window and shower door. The secondly is laminated glass. Laminated glass has a plastic layer inside, hold together when broken. The application usually use the laminated glass is wine shade. After that, borosilicate glass, resist heat and chemical. The application usually use the borosilicate glass is equipment lab and kitchenware. Next, frosted glass. Frosted glass is blurry look. Provide privacy while letting light through. Usually used in bathroom and office. After that, toning glass. Toning glass is extra strong. Usually used in building facades and door. Toning glass is similar to tempered.
Thanks for the explanation, my friend Umar. Next, I will continue for the smart glass. Smart glass is a type of glass that can change its light transmission properties, typically from clear to opaque or frosted, with the application of electricity. Next is lead glass. Lead glass is type of glass where lead replaces the calcium content of a potash glass. Next, we will continue for the photochromic glass, a type of smart glass that automatically darken when exposed to ultraviolet, UV, light such as sunlight and return to their clear state indoor or in low light condition. Next is a fiberglass. Fiberglass is lightweight, strong, and versatile material made of extremely fine glass fiber and a polymer matrix. The last one is chromatic glass, a type of glass that can change its transparency or opacity on demand, often through electrical or thermal means. Yeah!
Next slide, I will show you guys about application of glass. So today, I will share some common application of glass in modern buildings. Glass is not only transparent, but also strong, stylish, and very useful in construction. First, we have windows. Glass is widely used for windows. It allows sunlight to enter and give us a view outside. Second, we have certain walls. Large glass panels used on the outside of tall buildings. They make the building look modern and protect it from rain and wind. Third, we have partition. Glass partition are used to divide rooms, especially in office. They make space look bigger and brighter. And the last for this slide, we have doors. Glass doors are stylish and often used in homes, shops, and buildings. They can slide or swing open. Next, we have skylights. Glass panel on the roof that let sunlight enter from above. Skylights reduce the need for light during the day. And next, we have balconies and railing. Glass is used for balcony railings to keep it safe while still allowing a clear view. Next, we have bathroom panels. Glass panels are used in showers to keep water inside and give a clean look. And the last one we have glass stairs. Glass stairs are modern and beautiful. They are made with strong glass and used in luxury homes or buildings. In conclusion, glass play a very important role in construction because of its many functions and flexibility. By using different types of glass in one building structure, we can make the design most efficient, safe, and beautiful. Choosing the right glass for the right purpose helps to meet the needs of the design and improve the overall quality of the building. That's all from us. Thank you.